Call me a liar, but this is not a filter. This is just makeup in natural lighting, and you can have it too. To be completely transparent, this is my actual skin without any blurring. This is a technique known as underpainting, very common for events such as red carpet, and it is literally so pretty. What you want to do is use a darker shade than you normally would for your contour and bronzer. It need not be super perfect because we are gonna be covering this soon anyway, but you can blend it a little bit if you wish, which I obviously like to do. For the concealer, you obviously want to go in with a lighter shade than normal, and because I am so pale, that is white. If you are as pale as I am, I can really recommend that white concealer by Kimchi. Lastly, we do want to add a bit of blush underneath this stuff, so go ahead and do that. Beautiful. Taking a super sheer foundation, and you are going to dab that shit on very lightly over the darkest part first and work your way to the lighter colors. Pro tip: do not use a beauty blender because that is going to transfer the color to all the other areas, and that's not what you want. This is honestly just a matter of patience. It is super boring, and that is the reason why I don't do this more often. You can sort of see it come together now ever so slowly. And one last thing that I want to leave you with is do not do the swirly motions. You do gotta dab it on like this, and that is why this kind of sucks to do. But it is so worth it now that it's done.